Alright, the budget. Now I had to keep it as cheap as possible to get more marks. Kind of shows. Keypad matrix, 78 cents. 7-segment display, $1. LED matrix, 72 cents. Blue servo motors there. Tower Pro 9Gs cost about $10 for all of them. In total, I mean. That black one there was $8.50 all by its little lonesome. About a kilo of plastic, so 27 bucks. Elastic bands, $2.50. Cable ties, nuts and bolts, battery holders, already had them as scrap. Isolation switch was very scrap. Hell of a lot of hookup wire, already had it, but there's a lot. There's a very board in there as well, $4.50 from JCar, because I was in a rush. Yeah, LDR, resistors, solder, that's about it. Alright, this one is standalone, apart from the batteries. There is no connection to the outside world whatsoever. User interface. So we've got a keypad matrix, buttons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will show one of the American hand signs. Button 7 goes for slow speed, stays on to hit 9, which is fast speed, rinse, repeat. Button 8 will relax all the fingers. Button 0, the opposite, makes a fist. There's a 7-segment display here, which will just display the last button that you pressed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you get the idea. Now here's the C program behind all this. There's 0 Arduino functions in here whatsoever. It's all done by C and addressing the ATML registers directly. So at the start, a few define statements, setup turns on various registers, plot resistors, etc. ADC takes the reading from the LDR, the light dependent resistor, so the code can use that. Has a button been pressed? If it has been pressed, then do what the button tells you to do. Pretty easy. Use a whole lot of functions in here to improve readability, cut down the code size. 7-segment display, LED matrix. It's all pretty basic. Alright, so for the X factor for this prac, I've added in the 7-segment display there to show the last button you hit on the keypad. So 1, 2, 3, 4, so on it goes. Very exciting. There's also this LED matrix here that is told what to do by the Arduino. Basically, this light dependent resistor over here is read by the ADC on the Arduino. The more light that hits it, the more of these LEDs will come on. The less light, the less LEDs. So, sun up, sun down, sun up, sun down. That's the X factor.